Marcus Parcon, Philippines.
Good day, everyone. We are here now at NAIA Terminal 3. We'll be sending our Philippine representative for Mr. National Universe 2025 in Thailand. I'm here with Marcus Parcon. Hi, Marcus. How are you?
Hello po, okay naman.
Ayun.
Very excited.
Wow, and congratulations. So, sa wakas, magko-compete ka na sa international
Yes, time na.
stage. So, how do you feel right now?
So ngayon po may pressure may kaba pero sobra excited. Yung nagpa-excite sa akin eh. Sobra ako na-excite mapunta sa Thailand and ma-represent ang country natin na Philippines.
Now, let's talk about your preparation dito sa international competition. So, kumusta?
Yung preparation ko actually inabot siya ng 1 year after I've been able to be crowned as Mr. National Universe Philippines 2024 last year June. Tagang yun, kinuha ko siya agad lahat for the preparation for this international pageant. So dun yung mga physical activities ko, I prepared physically, mentally, emotionally, and also spiritually.
So, aside from that, nag-aral ka ba ng culture ng Thailand? Since
Yes,
dito gaganapin
tignan
yung
natin yung mga temples nila and also yung foods nila. Yun ang sobrang excited ako matry. And their culture also.
Then, aside from that, what are you looking forward for this competition?
Well, to be honest, I'm looking forward to bring home the crown. But for me, it's just a bonus. Ang pinakamalaga sa akin yung brotherhood na mabubuo namin sa pageant na to, tsaka yung ma-experience yung culture ng Thailand.
Do you have any last minute preparation before going to Thailand?
Well, siguro ang pinaka last minute na preparation na ginawa ko is yung pag-gym.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, kasi we all know na from Batangas up to Philippines, nakuha ko yung best in swimwear. So, hopefully makuha natin ulit siya this time.
And inaabangan ng ating mga fans and supporters kung ano nga ba yung mga wardrobe na susuotin mo. Is it came from a Batangas designer or collaborated with some of the other designers?
So, yan guys, yung mga formal wear natin, kinuha natin sa designers ko from Batangas pa lang. Si Ma'am Nenita Jones. Yan, so she's from Tanawan, Batangas. And for our national costume, kay Sir Simeon.
Simeon.
Sir Simeon, sorry.
Nako, for sure pasabog ito. Could you please give us a hint kung ano ba yung national costume mo? Ano lang, konting clue.
Well, yung national costumes natin, it tells about yung grabe yung emotion pagka nakita niyo siya. It's very Filipino. The way na kung paano tayo namuhay from the beginning. So, saan tayo nagsimula, tagang grabe yung emotions na pinapakita niya. So, be ready guys.
So may something touch with Batangas ba to?
It's something like agriculture.
Ay, bongga. Ayun. And syempre, pagdating mo dun sa Thailand, sino yung una mong kakausapin? What country would you like to talk
So,
to?
actually, wala akong pinipili. Kung sino yung una natin makita. Diba, as we all know, we Filipinos are very hospitable. We are very friendly. So, kahit sino doon,
Kahit sino.
let's have a banding. Yeah. Good time together. Clean fun.
And syempre, your family are here now to support you for this competition. So, do you have any message to them?
Yung sa family ko, lalo na sa father ko, yung harap ko siya ngayon. Although na may mga misunderstanding kami madalas, para kami Tom and Jerry nga sabi ni Mami. Pero never nila akong pinabayaan. From the very beginning, they never turned their back on me. So, my family, Mami, Daddy, did go. Thank you so much. I'll do my best to bring home the crown. It's not just for me, it's for our country.
Ayun. And pretty obvious, di ba? We've seen your transformation now. And how do you maintain that body?
So yung body ko na-achieve ko siya through help ng coach namin ni Brent Jonathan Mendoza. Siya yung brother ko from Batangas na nanalo siya ng Philippines. So after 2 days, he'll be flying to Indonesia for Mr. Culture International. So yung coach namin is si Coach Fel Collins Beltran by Fel and Friends. Yan. So talagang sobrang diet tayo tapos yung mga high intensity workouts. Pero pinakamagaling sa lahat yung diet na Nakaka-umish siya guys, to be honest. Lot of breast.
And bilang isang first-timer na magjo-join or magko-compete sa international, do you have any message to them?
So mga message ko sa first timer na first time magko-compete ng international pageant is just do your best, di ba? Kasi if it's your time, the judges will see through you. And alam naman natin lahat na hindi madali ang pageantry, di ba? May times na panghinaan tayo ng loob, so you should always let the fire inside you burn brighter than the fire around you. That will be all.
What's your favorite part of pageant?
My favorite part in pageantry is the brotherhood talaga. Kasi sobrang sarap na nalalaman mo yung mga different cultures and stories behind every person na akala mo pag tinignan mo sila ganan lang sila pero ang lalim din pala. Yung mga pagkadaan nila, mga stories sa life, how they live.
Alright, so have you
Mami,
talked to
excuse me,
our...
pwede lang ba ako mag-greet sandali?
Sige.
So, to every father in every area around the world, Happy Father's Day po. Special day, Father. Happy Father's Day,
bongga.
Daddy. Happy
Yan.
Father's Day.
Tomorrow is the Happy Father's Day.
Yeah, Happy
Ayan.
Father's Day, everyone.
Thank you. And have you talked to our reigning Mr. National Universe ba? Ruslan?
Yes. To be honest, siguro mga 3 days before, tinawagan ko si Ruslan Kulikov, ang ating Mr. National Universe 2023. So, siya si Kuya Kenneth Aniban na Cebu Island. Tapos, natawagan ko sila, nanghingi ako ng tips. Ang sinabi nila lang, in short, don't pressure yourself, just enjoy. Kasi, very accommodating talaga sa Thailand. Thailand is very nice place.
Sa tingin mo, how many % are you prepared for this competition?
Well, I did my best, so I believe that I'm 100% prepared for this pageant.
Ayan, ready to bring home the crown.
Let's bring home the crown, everyone.
Alright, sige. Message mo lang sa mga fans and supporters mo na nanonood ngayon.
Ayun sa mga fans and supporters ko, guys, abangan nyo. Kung nakita nyo ako ng bench, body of work, may lalabas tayong mga bago-bagong photoshoot dyan while I'm in Thailand. So, see you guys. Stay tuned.
And also your social media platforms. And if ever may mga online votings for the Mr. National Universe, you can promote it also.
So, everyone, I'll promote first the pageant that I'll be joining, Mr. National Universe. Yeah, that's the pageant. And yung social media ko is, on Instagram is Marcus Parcon _ and on Facebook is Marcus Parcon also. See you guys.
When is the finals night?
The finals night will be on 22.
22.
I guess if I'm right. If I'm not mistaken, June 22 will be the finals night.
So, thank you so much,
Thank you so
Marcus,
much.
and best of luck on your journey here at Mr. National Universe. And guys, please don't forget to support our Philippine representative for Mr. National Universe na gaganapin sa Thailand this week na, and he's heading to Thailand now. So please support him and follow his social media platforms.
Yes.
And of course, abangan nyo rin yung mga updates sa Facebook page ng Mr. National Universe. Ayan.
So once again, everyone, I am Marcus Stephen Parcon, your Mr. National Universe Philippines 2024. Mabuhay, Pilipinas!
Yeah.
Pumalakun!
Yes, mabuhay.
And guys, also I would like to thank the persons, every person and every org and every group of people behind my journey. Some of them talaga nag-support sa akin in silent. Pero whenever I need them the most, lagi sila nandyan. So guys, thank you so much ha. Di ko na kayo isa-isahin. You're very dear to my heart, everyone. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Lights are shining bright, they call my name. I've been dreaming big, playing this game. Strut the runway, feel the heat inside. Every step I'm taking fills me with pride. Oh, the world's a stage, let's make it spin. Confidence is power, let it begin. They watch my story